the secret of having a good and well balanced mental health is simply having a pet at your place. And sometimes the best medicine for people is unconditional love from the pets. Whether it's a dog or a cat, pets are important sources of social and emotional support for every person.
So I'm Arvind and she's my best friend, Zara. She's 3 years of age. She has always been my best friend and she's with me for the past 3 years. I brought her when she was 45 days of age and currently we are at Cochin. Looking at my pet, what I can say is the most humble, the loyal, and very lovable one. She has always been a very big supporting system for me, irrespective of the ups and downs in my life, whatever has happened. The only person who has always been with me as a best friend, as a supporting system, is my pet. And I just the way every owner loves their pet, even I love my pet too. And I never call her as a dog or anything. I call her always as Zara, and she has been very sweet to me. This is what I like in my pet, and why I would ask everyone to have a pet is basically because to have somebody in your life who can love the way you want is only a pet rather than a human being. Human being can betray you at any point of time, but not a pet. And what I learned from any of my pet is very simple. Irrespective of the day, if I get angry, sometimes I beat her because of her mischiefs. I sometimes get angry. I go to office, and by the time I come back home, she forgets everything. She has always been the most humble one, and this is what I would ask everyone to learn from a pet too. You should forget the agony or the anger what you have, and you should all try to learn from a pet to love each other, so that we normally fight and we keep that vengeance in the heart, but not as a pet. So you should always learn from it. The initiative what you have taken is wonderful, and I would really appreciate and ask everybody to have pet at home and to love them the way you want. And I'm sure that the only thing or the only creature which can love you back is a pet rather than a human being. So lovely initiative, and cheers to everybody who had started it. And I would really promote it along with my friends. We're always there as a support, for promoting a pet. And thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Cheers. Zara, say bye. Bye bye. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah. So it's a bye from me and Zara. Bye bye. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Drishti and I am a pet parent. I have 4 cats, 2 cats and 2 kittens. They're extremely loving and extremely naughty. We take care of them like babies, making sure they eat on time, they sleep on time, they're vaccinated on time, and they're loving and they're adorable and they're caring. So they'll always love you and they'll show it in really cute ways, like coming and sleeping next to you, coming and playing with you, eating with you, anything and everything that you eat, they would want a share. So it's basically like taking care of human babies, but these kittens never grow up.
My name is Hemant Giri and she is my pet. Her name is Shikari. Shikari because I have seen her doing shikar. I have seen her like catching pigeons. Like she is very cute. She always bees with me, and like whenever she is hungry, whenever she feels alone, she comes to me and she asks for food. And this is my friend. What is your name? Darsh. His name is Darsh. He's laughing. So he also plays with the cat. So I think if you have a cat at home, like it is very positive environment. You feel happy. You can play with them. You can talk with them, share your feelings, or like anything, cuddle with them. So this, I guess, it has been 9 months, 9 to 10 months. She is in an area only. Like whenever she is like alone, she comes and plays with me. She like asks for food. She eats everything. Like she eats whatever I eat. She eats. She eats chapati or biscuit, Parle G biscuit, Marigold biscuit. And like one more thing I would like to end up with, like if you have a cat, like it is a stress buster. It helps for your mental health also, like to keep you calm, to keep you busy, like feel like you have someone to talk with or be with. So now she is sleepy. At the moment she want to sleep, but like this guy, this guy is not letting her sleep. He's got a biscuit for her. What is her name? Dash is not letting her sleep. He has got a biscuit and he wants to feed her. And she is like in the mood to sleep. See her mood. See. Hi, say hi, Shikari. We are not letting her sleep. We woke up from, she was sleeping, we woke her up and we got her here. So it was fun waking her up. We woke, now she will sleep in some time. So bye, thanks a lot. And like have a pets at home, give them love, and that's all.
My pet dog, his name is Jack and Rocky. He is my best friend. I can share all my secrets with my dog. He loves me a lot. I can never be sad. He is the reason for my happiness. I believe pets are innocent souls and they are very good for your mental health. They keep us happy all time. I love my Jack and Rocky.
Numerous studies have shown how pets can benefit your mental health. So, let's look at top 5 ways how pets can have a positive impact on your mental health. We all want to share our thoughts and feelings with someone who would just listen to us without interrupting or giving any negative feedback. Pets are best active listeners who will never judge you, never criticize you, or tell your secrets to anyone else. This way, it creates a sense of relaxation and comfort for the person that all his thoughts are released in front of his pet, which is safe. This will reduce anxiety and stress and can also improve your mental well-being. All pet owners are required to take their pets outside for regular walks, as dogs and cats enjoy playtime outdoors. Pets also encourage people to wake up on time, eat on time, play, exercise, and sleep at regular times. Having such daily routines gives a purpose and structure in a person's life. This also helps the pet owners to build up healthy habits and be physically and mentally fit. Caring and playing with a pet allows children to have a friend that will love them unconditionally and also encourage the development of empathy and understanding towards others. Many studies suggest that children who are raised in families with pets are more obedient, have better communication and social skills, and are more physically active. Currently, people are practicing social distance and staying at home to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Feelings of loneliness and isolation can emerge, but having pets at home can definitely decrease these feelings of isolation and emotional pain which is associated with loneliness, and instead provide a sense of companionship. Pets, especially dogs, provide lot of benefits to people who are facing mental health issues. This is why they are often used in therapy and rehabilitation centers to reduce negative thoughts and feelings and create a sense of purpose among the patients. Through pet therapy, patients feel better about themselves, communication and social skills are improved, they can stabilize their emotions, and it also helps to restore their cognitive functioning. Looking after a pet is a big responsibility, but when you consider all the benefits which we have just discussed, they make all that hard work worthwhile. Do you have a pet? If yes, how has your pet impacted your life? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, do share it with your loved ones and hit the subscribe button to get updates for my upcoming videos.